Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kesorkar Jilla Hakasni Thoding Jong Kasanterik Ubnai Naiwing Arajar Arpuway Kalapan Bena Banjer Kerteng Yeka Mairang Civil Subdivision da ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Yakani la pentip da usembot Menteri Rangba Jong Kejilla ba Preston Tensong habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ke jingalang kinhon menteri. Kat kum ka jinga tho jong ba Preston Tensong ka jingple yakani ke district ka bathamai kan salong ha ka shiphoterik ubnai naiwing arajar arpuway.
We have decided from the cabinet today that upgradation of Mairang Civil Subdivision to a full-fledged district is approved. The proposal from political department was fully approved by the cabinet, and I would like to tell you that the inauguration of the new district will be on the 10th November 2021. And the name of the newly created district is Eastern West Khasi Hills. Eastern West Khasi Hills.